What sets your firm apart in handling probate matters? Attorney Michael Camporeale explains that. My firm has the ability to handle a lot of clients and cases, but we still give them the personal attention that they deserve. We are not that big where we cannot give them that personal attention. My client base are clients that are formed over a lifetime relationship that passes from one generation to the next. I have clients that come in to see me, and they come in to see me with their children, and I would prepare their estate plan and asset preservation plan. Some years will pass, and the children will come back to me and say, Mom or Dad needs some care in the house with an aide, and they want to qualify for community Medicaid. So I sit down with them and help them get qualified for Medicaid home care and have the Medicaid program pay for the cost of that care. If necessary, I would also help their parent get into a nursing home and placed on Medicaid and have their assets protected. The family is very happy that their assets won't be lost on the high cost of nursing home care. It could be some years later that the family will come back to see me after a parent passes away, and I am there to assist them. If that means that now the assets have to come out of the trust, I am there to conclude the estate in that manner from the trust. However, if there were assets that were not put into the trust and they require probate, I would then take care of the probate for those particular assets. Obviously, if they want to go and sell the house from the estate, I am there to help them. I will handle the real estate transaction and pass the house or have the house sold out of the estate, or if they just want the trust to pass the asset over to them individually, I will pass the property on with new deeds. So it is a relationship that I have with them and their children that takes place over a lot of different periods of time in their lives, and which sometimes takes place over many years. Then what happens is, I then do the proper estate planning for the children, and basically go through the same steps that I did for the parents. That is what my practice entails, and that is what I have been doing for well over a decade. That is what makes me very different from a lot of other practitioners out there. I have those long-standing relationships with the clients that take place over many years, and which transcends generations from one to the next. For a free phone consultation, contact Attorney Michael Camporeale in New York at 718-475-9639. Or visit his website at www.mcamporealelaw.com.